It's the next day here. Just came back from the junkyard. Got the new power steering pump. It took a while to find one because a lot of places they had them pumps, but none of them were sport, and I need strictly sport uh, pump, that the sport power steering pump. It's different than the regular pump. So everybody has the regular, but no one sport, and no one lists the difference. When you ask for the pump, they only ask if it's the rear wheel steer assist or no, and they don't ask if it's a sport or non-sport. There's a difference in them. So it took a while. It was about an hour from here, but I went there. They found one, and so I got it here. Gotta put it in and get the front end finished up with all the radiators in. The fan is still gotta do the fan, and then fill up with the coolant and all that stuff. And I'm gonna try to get it up on the wheels and hopefully make it give it a little test drive today. So lots to do. Let's get to work and not waste time. So here are the pumps. Here's what's different about them. Kinda looking at it, it doesn't look too much different, but the pulley is different. This one is held with a nut. This one is just a push in or twist on, whatever it is. And then on the back, this one is mounted like this, so the banjo bolt is to the side. On this one, it mounts like this. The banjo bolt is on the top. So looking next to each other, you can see the difference. And the shape of them, the back, also the back is different. And that's something that they don't list, that it's different. So sadly, the hoses are starting to break apart a little bit, and I don't have any other good ones to replace them with, so I'll put these on, and if it starts leaking, I'll just drain the fluid and replace the hoses. So it's not a big deal later on, as long as I could get it in and make it work right now. So Alright, so Up here I had a couple studs missing in the wheel, so just removing the caliper, kind of see what's going on and to replace them. Look at that. The rest look good, just the two of them. I got them on my other car, so let's go grab them. Let's see, there's the two studs. So I got a couple good studs on here. The caliper, not the caliper, the bearings, someone's not good, so there's one. Let's go get another one. And the third one. So if we need more, we'll come back and get some more. The rest will tighten up when I put the wheel on. Alright, let's get this back on here. Alright. One wheel down, 3 to go. Alright, so this is it for today. The wheels are replaced. Engine's running. Everything's looking good. Those wheels are tucked in so much. They're off a Q50S hybrid, so they're all 245s. they're so tucked in. It's ridiculous. Yeah. So far running good. Started off it was smoking a little bit, but now it's all cleaned up. Yeah. Excited to get it done.